I did not have the music on. I thought I had it. I think I'm live. I think I'm live. Holy cow. Guys, hey, how you doing? I hope this works. Let's see. All right, it says it works. Oh man. Big day. All right. It's always a big day around here. So I set the stream up and I gotta move this light. I'm gonna break this. That's gonna that's gonna be this is not gonna be good. I'm gonna break stuff. Big day. Big day. This attached. So anyway, um, I what was I doing? Oh yeah, set up the stream. So I was trying to set up the stream. It took me 3 times. 3 times. Delete. I mean, I didn't purposely delete it. StreamYards has a little quirk to it. It's kind of weird. Three times was the hang on, let me type this out. What? Um I can't even type, man. I wish I could type. Guys, this would be so much better. I mean, really, like they should not. I should be put in a insane asylum. What I should be. Could you imagine the friends I'd meet there? October. And yeah, let's do that. Boom. All right, sorry. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. See if this works. I doubt it will. Probably won't. Because I'm not good at things. I'm horrible at things, actually. I'm all these things are so bad. Anyway, how you beautiful tubers doing tonight? Hope you're not wearing pants. I think that was my problem. I was wearing pants for most of the time. Don't you hate pants? I mean, it's such present. It was funny. It was a slow progression of undress today for me. I had to be in public. Found out that my socks I was wearing today had a hole in it. Have you ever done that? Why do I have socks with a hole in them? And I'm not talking about like any hole. It's like this big, okay? And it's like where it's worn, you can see through. I can see my toes, which tells me I put them on upside down. And there's writing on the socks, so that means I was walking around going in through the outdoor. Jane Reynolds always being love that, love that. Who lost what? What are we losing? Hey, K Ray, how you doing? 242, what's up? Shane said, bad duck. What's happening? 17 minutes. 17 is my favorite number. I don't know why. Oh, Sweet Fly's been a member for, hang on. Hey, Kelly, what's happening? Oh my gosh, guys, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Hey, Danielle, how you doing? Oh, look. Time isn't real. Hey, you know what? I got proof. I have proof. Time isn't real, like birds. This message approved by the Order of the Blade. Isn't that kind of weird? You know, it is true. Cutting yourself. Iron Rabbit. Oh, yeah, top chat. Holy cow. Iron Rabbit, where would I be without you? I was like, Lost Souls. How you doing? I thought about you. White Rabbit was telling me something. And it made me think about you. And it's really probably not a good thing. So I'm not going to say it here. It's a good thing. I mean, it's just funny how my mind works. Remind me sometime. I'll try to remember what I was thinking about. And I'll tell you because it's so stupid. But if telling you would put that period on my thought. There goes Blue Dog. Maybe her mama can get her. She's mad at me. That's also why I'm late because there's miscommunication at home. I got home. I thought we were going to go to the store, and I parked outside so I could pick up my wife, and she didn't come outside, so I go inside. Car was outside. Anyway, I was like, "Oh, I need to move the car in." I asked Brown Dog, "Hey, evidence through motion. How you doing? How you doing? You look familiar." Is the AI messing with me again? Hey, Sylvia, how you doing? Bruce is back. Bruce, motion to get restraining order against AI. Let me tell you what, that AI is after Bruce, man. That is crazy. It is crazy, crazy. Hey, Daniel Barry, what's happening? All right, hang on a second. Let me. Oh gosh, I'm really far out. Swing flies because I care and love you. 7 months, 2 months for her birthday. Sweet Fly, you're gonna enjoy Halloween night. I'll tell you what. All of you that do not know, I don't have the picture up. All of you that do not know, this Halloween is a uh, it's our annual costume party. We do an FNL costume party. It's gonna be from 8 to midnight. Halloween night, October 31st. What will we be this year? Who will make an appearance? You never know. Who was here last year? Well, I don't know. Oh, there he is. Pickle Rick last year. Maybe we get Sexy Santa. Who knows? Who knows? D42, even Brown Dog. You know what else is good about Wiggles? Wiggles is like a reset button. You know, you just kind of reset everything. It's so much better when I turn the volume up and I'm back here dancing. Do my own little wiggle, wiggling that brain around. Hopefully it lands back in place. Guys, did you guys see? So, two things tonight. One is what the Wednesday. So that's usually when we do corn pusher videos. We have a good time and we laugh and we share. And I put underwear in my hands. I forgot about that part. Anyway, but we also have conclusion to the Laura Owens event today. She's in San Francisco with the rice-a-roni treats. Wait a second. Somebody else looks like you. What's happening? Even a suitcase showed up last year for Halloween. That's true. It did. A suitcase. I can't believe you remembered. Oh my gosh. Yes. Those of you that don't know, that's what's that girl's name? Somebody will put it in the chat. She put her boyfriend in a suitcase and then told him to quit complaining when he said he couldn't breathe. There he is. There he is. Oh my gosh, hold your books. Hot damn Elaine's here. How you doing, hot damn? I haven't seen you in a hot minute. Actually, I take it back. I saw that there was a bingo stream coming up the other day, and well, I mean, it was like hours away, or maybe it was even the next day. You did a good job getting out there early. It was your suitcase, but who'd you have inside? Who did you have inside? Anyway, but tonight, so Laura Owens, new stuff breaking from today. I was watching it with Bruce the Moose. He had it on because Grook told me, Bruce is on. And I was like, no, I didn't know. I asked you what the weather was, but that's okay. Sarah Boone, yes. Sarah Boone. Is that where she put him in the suitcase? Was that the apartment? Because if she put him in that suitcase at the apartment and you haven't sent us pictures yet, do you even know if you're real? I was with Rob today. I don't know Rob. I know Bruce the Moose. So, Bruce, man, when are we gonna hang out, dude? I really want to. Anyway, so anyway, yeah, the whole AI thing, right? That's gotten weird, right? How it Hang on a second, because I have two different things here. So okay, before we get started, we're going to talk about some Laura Owens, about today's case, what it means, conclusion, everything else. I was watching Bruce do his thing. Zach was making nostril jokes at some point. I don't know why. I don't know why. But anyway, we're watching Bruce do his thing. Guy's awesome. You guys need to follow him, by the way. Oh, cool. Anytime. Well, how do I get a hold of you? Maybe that might be the thing. I'd like to, and that still doesn't mean anything good. Doesn't mean anything good. But Bruce, guys, he he was over there at Rob, who I don't know who Rob is. Sorry. But anyway, what's the thing I was talking about? Oh, yeah. So Laura Owens. They're breaking it down. I'm sitting in the chat and I'm watching this, and I'm like, oh, there's a lot of stuff here. So I go over to Reddit, because there's a fabulous Reddit channel for victims of Laura Owens, or Justice for Clay Atkins. Wait, hold on, that's his name. Eckert, Clayton Eckert. Clay Atkins. Who's that? Did he play baseball? Sounds like a baseball name. Anyway, so he there's in Twitter also, there's a lot of what I think are misconceptions. I think some people kind of jumped the gun. And so we want to go over that today. What we're going to do is, so those of you that don't know me, I went through law school. I spent time working in a law office, doing the paperwork, the filing, the running around, talking to clients, and doing all this crazy stuff that I don't like to talk about because I really hated it. I never went to law school to be an attorney. I never wanted to be one. I worked in government stuff, so take that for a grain of salt. Did I say hi to Lost Souls? How you doing? Hey, Debbie, I got you. I tried to reply back to the thing you sent me, and I can't reply from the email to you. But I want you to know I got it. That was really cool. It's really cool. I enjoyed it. I need to send that to Fallstorm. Hey, Teresa, how you doing? I love the sea turtle, by the way. So what I'm gonna you guys are gonna get like an expert opinion. See what I did there? See all that marketing I did early on paid us off today on what I think is what it all means, and take the hyperbole out of it and just give to do it dry. See what happens. So anyway, yeah, let's do it. So what I do is, this is a new thing. Now I'll tell you why. One of the things I ask questions of Grok, because what I'm looking for in her algorithm is to go through and find all the different sources of information. So it's like doing a Google search, but I'm having her do it all. And then she puts it into a form. Man, I was reading one today, and I was like, this is exactly how I would answer a question in a law office. You know. So, hey, Fire Fairy. So, even though it is Grok, it is AI, I understand there are problems with it and stuff like that. We're going to just get the quick rundown today, so we're all on the same page. You tell me where it's wrong. Bruce the Moose thinks she's very wrong when it said that he had the wrong judge for some reason. And hey, Patty, how you doing? I don't know why. It was admin. Bruce got the wrong judge. It's not Richard, it's Carol or whatever it was. And he was it's not, though. It's not. So it's a good time. It's a good time. By the way, I do have to say, so if you are new here or you're lurking or you're coming in later, please hit the subscribe button. I haven't doing that YouTube thing right now. Down a bunch, man. Down a bunch. We're trying to turn that around. And Laura Owens is an old, you ready for this? This is called evergreen uh, content. So it's something that I did like a year and a half ago, and now it's coming back now. And so people kind of keeping that algorithm. I'm reaching out to older subscribers to come back, check me out. Maybe they'll see something different this time. I got a compliment today. I was told that I remind somebody of Wolfman Jack. Those of you that don't know Wolfman Jack, that's okay. I don't either. But you ought to listen to it. It's on YouTube. I'm gonna stop talking now. All right, we're gonna share this. See what Greg's got. Now, this what's funny is I did you guys a special favor. You ready for this? So, I always say my style here that I like is I think you guys can you read that? All right. I like to do so you guys get oh, that's horrible. Is this the one I like? Yeah, there you go. I like to read things for the very first time with you. So that way you get a live reaction from me. So you're getting more than just a reading of the facts. You're getting reactions too. Um yeah, you know what? It's what I saw Wolfman today reminded me of you ever seen the movie Good Morning Vietnam? It's a good movie. Hey, Major Ma, how you doing? Wolfman Jack is my generation. I think the expert could be my son age wise. Well, hey, that's a genre, by the way. But anyway, I'm sorry. Going a little crazy from all the vitamin D I'm getting out in the sunshine. All right, so let's see. So what I did was I took the same questions I had earlier, brought them to Grok on a different browser, and so I got two. I got competing opinions now, but we're gonna see they are. So this is make sure you have everything. So those of you that don't know the background of the case, and I did get asked yesterday what the background was. Um ChatGPT makes your calendar square? You know what? I've got a maybe White Rabbit's AI. She does the calendar. I don't if Siri doesn't listen, I don't know how to do it. Anyway, background on the case. So the hearing stems from Owens' 2025 petition to permanently renew a domestic violence restraining order originally granted against Marraccini. What's his first name? Oh, look, they have Judge Carolyn Gold today. There you go. Hey, I think Bruce the Moose has been vindicated. Look at this. Anyway, Marraccini, or as he's called around here, Marraccino. No, Mariachi. What did I call him? Mariachi? Was he Mariachi? Whatever it is, it'll be cool. Uh Marcino, let's see here. In 2020, Marcino, represented by attorney Omar Serrato, I don't think that's his name, contests the renewal, arguing its lack of merits. Owens has cited health issues, including severe anorexia, gastrointestinal bleeding, PTSD, and possible autism as reasons for accommodations and prior continuous requests. For more details, visit San Francisco website. Um, Now today, the October 22nd session of Owens, it's Michael. Is it Michael? It's not. Yeah, it's Mike. It's Mike. Isn't that funny? Uh I forget my name, y'all. So don't take it, you know, don't take it too bad. Wait, Diane G's here. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Omar's the tilted lawyer on YouTube. I know 704 Tactical. I watch him. Oh, it's too much. Hey, 80s, how you doing, bud? Oh, we got so many people here. I want to sit down and talk with you guys. It's been a while. All right. So today's session, the renewal hearing in San Francisco, marked a pivotal yet unresolved moment in the case from with allegations, procedural manipulation, health-related accommodations, and broader implications for domestic violence protections. Preceded by Judge Carolyn Gold, the hearing was the second day of what was initially set as a 2-day long cause trial, following Owens' motion in July 25 to extend her existing 5-year DVRO against Marraccini permanently. Can you believe that? That guy's married. I mean, think about how disgusting that is. I mean, he shows up, he ought to have his wife there. Be like, why would I do this to my wife? His wife ought to be a witness. That'd be awesome. Could you imagine? That's my court. The people's court, the experts court would be like, we're going to sell this over a cage match. Anyway, stemmed from Owens' claims during their 2016-2017 relationship, including assertions hmm, of emotional, verbal, and physical abuse, as well as fabricated health crisis like ovarian cancer. Wow, that's crazy. The AI says a fabricated health crisis like ovarian cancer. Talking about someone here because in a restraining order, even though you're like the plaintiff, you know, you're the victim, supposedly. That's weird for this to have that type of language. It's anyway, as well as fabricated health, ovarian cancer. Marcini has consistently denied these allegations, supported by forensic evidence from text messaging and other records indicating inconsistencies in her narrative. Leading to the 22nd, yesterday was a tense one. Owens appeared remotely via Zoom, accompanied by her attorney, David Gingras, but he wasn't there as an attorney. She cited severe medical conditions, such as now, this is the part, y'all, because there's no cameras in the courtroom yesterday. Does Groke have this right or not? And I'm going to tell you guys, I better do it now. I'll forget it. So I went into a little bit further into how this does analytics and what it asks for, and it's very, very amazing. Like it cites sources that are that you wouldn't. I wouldn't expect a program to come up with this, and it's like I really do approve of its ability to do research. However, I'm not gonna read something as verbatim, and that's what you're gonna get with a lot of creators in the future. They're already doing the AI voice stuff. You're gonna get AI answers to everything. I'm using this as research to come with my own opinions and, through my, education and, experience. It makes me an expert. Um So here's the thing. So anorexia, claiming a weight of 84 pounds and requiring transfusions. Is that something that came out yesterday? Does anybody know that? Was that said in court? Did Grope find a court thing? Would Bruce do? Is that accurate? Oh, wow. Wow. Nobody throws the moose under the bus. Hey, speaking of mooses, have you ever seen that video of that guy who goes out there? He's had a few, you know what I'm saying? And there's a moose swimming in a lake, and he jumps on its back and rides it back to shore. The guy's the most base dude I've ever seen. But it's in Canada, I think, and like the Mounties were mad that he mounted a moose. Only they can ride mooses. Gastrointestinal bleeding necessitating urgent treatment, PTSD, and her father's recent hospitalization. Judge Gold, however, reiterated her prior order for in-person attendance, denying Owens' expedited motion for reconsideration of a continuance without sufficient medical documentation. So that sentence right there, this is accurate. That explains day one. So we're gonna have a thing tomorrow. You better be here. Remember, that's what everybody we were talking about that last night. Is a you better be here. So she had a motion for continuance the Friday before hearing, where she talked about labs being near transfusion level from an earlier date, not a recent date. Okay. So Bruce just corrected his nemesis. Okay, this could be awesome. It's gonna be a supercomputer versus a super moose. This is it. I live a cartoon life, in case you guys didn't know. Judge, you just see her. The judge warned her failure to appear physically on the second day could result in dismissal. This session also addressed evidentiary matters, including Owens' motion in limine filed on the 16th. On the 22nd, today's proceedings began 9 a.m. With Marraccini. His wife was there, and Omar was there, the jilted lawyer, or what did you guys say he was? Super Moose unplugs supercomputer and wins. Hey, JC, how you doing? I appreciate you lurking. Just make sure you're subscribed and all the other good stuff because I've got to turn. Hey, younger, what's up? I got to turn this algorithm thing of mine around, guys. My mom's been in a hospital for a while, and that's when I talk about like the subs and the algorithm, all that stuff. It's because of my really weird uh streaming stuff. I have to do it when I can instead of when I want to and what I want to. So I appreciate everybody who stuck with me. The best is yet to come, but we're not out of the woods yet. Thank you, though. Owens, however, did not appear in person, consistent with predictions from observers like Bruce the Moose and live updates from journalists on site. Instead, she participated remotely for a private in-camera discussion with Judge Gold. We were watching this. This is what Bruce was covering on Rob's channel, or I hope I have that right. And hang on a second, let me see real quick. How do I do this? I'm going to pull up a blank YouTube. So that way, let me find oh, yeah, I knew I was subscribed. All right, here we go. And let's do this one first. So here we go. Hey, wait, where's Bruce? Bruce, where are you? Hey, I don't want to put any pressure on you, man, but for just wait, that's the wrong one. Just this moment, if you want to, you want to go ahead and put your link in here. Oh, hang on, wait a second. I got only if you want to. Look at this. I'm going to there you go. Oh crap, I gotta move this thing. I can't see behind it. There you are. I gotta hit another click. There you go. So I toss you a wrench. If you want to put your link in here and put like Rob's stuff, so everybody would know that. I mean, if you don't want to, I'll just take the wrench away after the stream. Everybody's goes away in January anyway. But it's easier than me doing all the stuff. And you know it. So all right. So because I just looked up Bruce's website YouTube. I was going to put it in. I was like, wait a second, he's here. Let's just yeah, you got it, Ding. Or did you disappear? Did you not get the wrench? Oh, there you go. Yeah, cool. All right, didn't backtrace it. It didn't update it. Sorry. Owen's submission of an ADA accommodation request at 4:45 p.m. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I forgot where I was. Consistent with predictions from observers and live updates from journalists on site. Instead, she participated remotely for a private in-camera discussion with Judge Gold, excluding Marraccini's team, a move that sparked immediate concerns about transparency and due process. That's when I was listening to Bruce earlier. This followed Owen's submission of an ADA accommodation request at 4:45 p.m. on October 21st. If that's accurate, then that explains everything because it was like people were waiting to see if she asked what's the thing called? What is this thing called? Oh, the travel to, travel out of Arizona. Um, wait, hold on, where did I just see this? To be younger, thought about that, and I was like, "Well, you know what? We're, planning on doing, Hales, coin streamer after this." And so I don't know if you'd wanna stick around, but yeah, Bruce, if you want to, just let me know. Complaining about AI and chat's more fun. Isn't that crazy cool? True, though? That's I do that, man. 'Cause I like to derail it. Wait, did I say that out loud? Um, so Owens, instead of asking Arizona for a, travel, release, she did an ADA accommodation request at 4:45. If this is accurate. Well, after the California court rules, 5 court day advance requirement. Oh, that's right. I did see somewhere that the judge said that. The accommodation appears tied to Owen's self-reported autism or related disabilities. Those specifics remain undisclosed. So she would have to have had medical proof. That's what the judge was asking for earlier. And so that was in the closed thing. People are talking about, like, transparency and everything. Well, when you're making ADA claims, and all this medical stuff, people they get everything else screwed up on that. And it's funny. I've never met anybody who didn't want to tell me how sick they are. Have you ever noticed that? But then at the same time, everybody wants to scream out HIPAA. It's crazy. So all that was closed for those reasons. Um, and that is that's not, there's no transparency there issue or anything of that. Those are very well defined limits of a public process. Uh, those remain undisclosed. Now here's the thing. So says those specifics remain undisclosed. Earlier, she asked me unless I had written copy or court notes or knew somebody who did, then let her know. This is Grok asked me this, and so I told Grok, I said, "Yeah, I've got the transcripts. Just I want to see the answer." And said, "Oh, well, if you'll upload a PDF of them, I'll be happy to look over them." And then she went through a whole litany of things that she would do to the note, and I was like, "You're a great secretary." She really, I was thoroughly impressed. Thank you for whoever's hitting all the hearts. I love that. It helps engagement. Uh, so the court ultimately granted the continuance, rescheduling the hearing for November 5th. So that's what we have. November 5th is when it's going to be. So that's like what, in 15 days, 10 days, something like that. Um, and reducing it to a single day, the outcome delayed resolution, extending emotional and financial strain on Marraccini, who has relied on crowdfunding for legal fees, claims that Owens is weaponizing the court system. That's the problem with a lot of these restraining orders is you are, hey there, little Miss Red Velvet. Actually, you know what? I read the background of the case just because you had asked yesterday about that. That stuck out of my brain today. Um, the court ultimately, let's see here, what November 5th. This outcome delayed resolution, extending emotion, financial strain, mercy, was crowdfunding, legal fees, and Owens is weaponizing a court system. Yes. Live coverage from figures like podcaster Dave Neal and journalist Megan Fox highlighted frustrations and with some speculating on Owens' ability to travel given her ongoing Arizona felony charges, which is 7 counts, including perjury, forgery, and evidence tampering from a separate paternity case against Clayton Eckert. No docket entry confirms travel approval from Maricopa County. That's scary how the AI got that, isn't it? Natalie Baker, not Baker, how are you doing? Look at that cute puppy. Look at that cute thing. How's the weather up north today, Natalie? Let's see here. The case intersects with Owen's broader legal history, including dismissed paternity cases, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so this is her background on this. I don't need any of this. Let's see, there's another thing here. Oh, look at this. Ta-da. And then there was a hang on, I have another thing here. Implications. Well, I think I overread what I was going to stop and talk about. I did. Boy, I'm an idiot sometimes. Really bad idiot too. Wait, hold on. Is that the one? I wanted? Oh, wow. That's actually really cool. What is that's that one? No. And then do I have this one? That's not it. That's not it. Oh, that might be. This actually might be good. Like get this. So can you guys believe this? I actually did research and stuff today. Oh crud. I've got I've got my see if I turn this off. Yeah, we're gonna turn this off. Sorry, I got dark reader on. Um I turned it off. I don't know. It doesn't matter. It's fine. So what is it? Here's what I'm gonna show you guys. So what we found out, and this is what I overlooked. I'm sorry, I apologize for it. What I wanted to get into, yeah, so the continuance was granted. It goes back up here where she says, oh, wait, hold on. Yes, yes, implications and next steps. That's what I was looking for, right? Yes. Oh, wait, hold on. Natalie Baker, been a member for 10 months. Natalie, did I you were here for your birthday? Were you? I don't know if you were happy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy belated birthday, Natalie. I didn't think this through because there's a banner over my face. It's good to see you, Natalie. Good to see you. Side Eye, new member. Yes, how you doing, Side Eye? If you go to the members section of my YouTube page, there's a link. You can click it to get into the Discord, where we have all sorts of I don't know. The Discord as a whole is it needs my attention. I understand that. But the most important thing is that the squirrel cage is a live chat area where you can hang out, and I come in once in a while, and there's great people there all the time. Yeah. So please come back and hang out with us. We like new friends. It makes us feel better. The Discord is a whole is a whole vibe. Squid comes back. She's hung out with us. Diane G did once, and she made fun of me a lot, and then she left and never came back, and it's hurt. It's broken my heart. She's the she reminds me of every girl I ever dated until my rabbit finally said yes. Just I'm a lover. I'm a lover. All right. So here's what's happening next on the case implications and next step. If Owens fails to appear, and now this is what the part where I'm going to be like, this is what I wanted to analyze with y'all. She fails to appear on November 5th. The case could face dismissal with prejudice. That's what you really want. You really want that with prejudice on there. That means you can't file again. Unless, I mean, I say don't file, then watch somebody will say, "Oh yeah, well, what about this one?" There's always an extenuating circumstances that can if you have a better argument, you'll be able to circumvent what somebody else did. Hey, Rosalind Duke, how are you doing? Rosie, when am I going to get you on screen with me so I can ask you all sorts of questions? Because I have one question. I was like, I want to hear her voice. I really want to hear her voice to ask this question. It has nothing to do with, it has to do with so Rosalind, she was there in the courtroom. She's an expert. It has to do with your experience, but it has nothing to do with the case. Does that make sense? It's the way my colorful brain thinks. It makes me so exciting. I love you guys. I really do. This is such a hoot, man. This is so much fun. All right. So if she fails to appear in the fifth, the case was dismissed with prejudice. This development extends uncertainty for Marraccini and his family, who have incurred significant costs. A GoFundMe has raised funds for his defense. Observers note this fits a pattern of delays, with some alleging Owens is exploiting the system. Updates may emerge from journalists like Megan Fox covering the proceedings. May emerge. I love how it kind of pushes this off. I mean, well, if she doesn't cover it, nobody is. Krug's like, go over there, dummy. Uh, the October 22nd session of the Owens v. Marraccini DVRO renewal hearing in San Francisco marked a pivotal yet unresolved moment in the case, fraught with allegations of. I feel like I read all this. I did read all this. Well, I didn't read that top part though. Okay, yes, this is what I wanted to talk about then. So it was going back to that 445 filing with the court. So what that is, so it's kind of like an emergency filing, even though it was supposed to be 5 days beforehand, right? That doesn't mean that she didn't have the said disability. All right. You follow me on that? So if you're disabled, like me, I mean, we all know I'm disabled. I mean, I'm mental, right? Uh, I mean, I've really had a hard time figuring that one out, Volstorm, because you said more whiny than normal. I really thought you were talking about me. Um, there you go. Side eyes guy. Everything has an exception. So even though it's a 5-day thing, like if you're autistic, you're just autistic. Just because you haven't been diagnosed doesn't mean that you're not autistic. And of course, though, now here's the thing. Here's the part that I don't ever see argued in law, and I think it's something to think about in the future. Is what happens with a misdiagnosis, because that's also possible. But that's my own quirk. That has nothing to do with the case at hand. So Laura Owens says, well, I mean, even though I don't think autism is something that should have stopped the proceedings, what I do think is that whatever it is, if it is a true disability and it's something that falls under the rules of, because the court, even though it's American Disabilities Act, people like to throw that out there. I don't think a state court is attached to that in the same way. Meaning, it's accessibility is the main thing with the ADA when I think about it. I could be very wrong. I'm just giving an off the cuff thought process. So you look at things like ramps, elevators, doors, parking, accessibility. Everybody's got to be able to get to the courthouse. To tell you how historic that is, the state of Tennessee, for a small state, has 95 counties, because in Tennessee, you had to be able to make it from anywhere in the county to the courthouse back home in a day, same day. Well, in 1794, whatever, 1776, whenever, I don't know when the hell we became a state. It became a thing. That was how they designed the state. Anyway, but it's about accessibility to the court system, right? So that's what I think when I think about American Disabilities Act. The state has its own stuff, and this is California. And this is what I said on MG Laws Monday night. I said, I don't think that Mike's going to win because it's San Francisco. It's a San Francisco court. Who knows? I wouldn't. That's why I put in the description. I said it's the Geraldo's Vault, covering cases, especially for creators, because it's so hard. You don't have that big network like Crime TV or something like that has. Where they have a bunch of people everywhere. It's Geraldo's Vault, and that's a term going back to like the 80s or something. Like Geraldo Rivera he was trying to open up Al Capone's vault. What's in there is like a mini series or something, and people watched it for days or something like that. It's stupid. It's so dumb when you look at the history of it. And he opened it up and there's nothing in there. So it was just a big waste of time. But it sold a lot of advertisement leading up to it. And that's the problem with anything in the court, is that there's always something procedural and stuff like that that comes out of nowhere that you're not expecting. Laura Owens tonight's laughing, Gingras is laughing that they got continuance. And they're gonna have the same outcome, but they got the continuance that nobody was expecting. And so they're drinking off the tears of Justice for Clayton followers. That's the reality of all this stuff. Don't let it control your life. Now, her disability claim, though, if she has a disability, she's always had that disability. She didn't do it within the court prescribed 5 days. So you're looking at, well, what happened there? Well, those are the probably the local rules, and the judge has the opportunity to circumvent that, or maybe it's the state rules. I don't know of court, and it has it's always, you're always more lenient to the victims, to the defendants, those type of people. And in a restraining order, that's why I said, even though you're kind of the plaintiff, you're looked at like the victim, like this other person hurt me. So if the judge denied the ADA claim, Laura you have an opportunity to appeal anything. You know what? Judges, as a matter of DNA, man, just if you're a judge, it's just bred into you. You do not like a higher court overturning your decision. I mean, it's like a scarlet letter being tattooed into your brand into your forehead. Wait, the question is, does she have a legit diagnosis from a medical provider who has provided the diagnosis to the court and the opposing counsel? Well, if it's a state licensed medical provider, then it's legit. It's dicta. Because that person, I mean, that's why you're licensed. You're putting your word on the line. I mean, okay, Bruce, I'm glad you said this. I'm really glad you said this. This is a great question, right? This is a great question. Because Bruce, I'm going to assume he probably knows the answer to this. But we're going to also assume he doesn't. This is a legit out the window, hey, I just thought this is a random thought, right? But I would think when you ask a question that like this, I'm thinking that Bruce has reason to believe. I'm not saying he does. Don't take this as literal. I'm talking for him, not for him, but through. What am I doing? I'm making this up, okay, as I go along. We'll call him Moose. Something different. Moose the elk. That's not our buddy Bruce the Moose. Anyway, when you say, does she have a legit diagnosis? Well, then maybe she doesn't. Maybe she went to a witch doctor, is using that as her diagnosis. I don't know. Yeah, I think at the end of the day, does the I've never seen or heard where they question the legitimacy of a medical. See, it's licensed. As long as it's licensed, it'd be okay. I mean, I think it has to be. Because the judge can't pass judgment on whether or not your license is good, whether or not what you're saying is legit. He has to I mean, you have to accept certain things. I think that's how that would work. I don't know. I don't know. We'll find out. But that's a good question, Bruce. That's a really good. That's why he's got the big talent. Bruce is awesome. Um, CJ says they can look into it, but will they? I mean, would you? No, no. Why would you? You got so much other stuff to do. Why are you? You're not going to do. I don't. That's actually. You know what? That's probably appealable if they did. Yeah, judge has to look at the facts presented and rule. By the way, just so you guys know, all this is started because what I wanted to share with you is this. Now the color's messed up because I have a website darkening widget, whatever, so I can so it doesn't blind me as much as it does. But where's my button? No, none of these are the buttons I'm looking for. There you go. Okay, so this is from the state of California. Okay, this is their disability accommodation request. This is the form you got to fill out to say, "Hey, I'm disabled. I need this." Okay, now let's go over this because this is what she would have had to have filled out, right? Assuming the other day. If you have a disability and need an accommodation while you are at court, see, that's the thing that I think is funny about this. You can use this form to make your request. For more information, please see form info. Well, I didn't go to info, but anyway, I like looking at forms. Make this request at least 5 days, which the court asks for, before you need the accommodation, your name, address, all that stuff. How are you involved in the case? I'm a party to the case, she would say. When and where do you need the accommodation? Now, see, there you go. The accommodation lingo. That's the parking, the access, the water fountains, all that stuff. Just another old lady says all this started because a female thinks she can force men to love her through demanding attention. I know this old lady well enough to say I specifically pulled that that comment up because I am so surprised that that's what you said. I can see, I hear your voice in my ears right now saying all this started because a female thinks she can force a man to love her through copulation. Sorry, wait, I hit the wrong thing. It took me 7 years of 2 surgeries to get disability approved. Now, is that Social Security? Because Social Security is a whole different thing. In the state of Tennessee, I took Social Security disability. This is the only time, or it was disability or Social Security law. I don't remember what they called it. Anyway, great class, great class. That's the only thing I ever did. You have electives in law school, and you try to take the ones that you know you're never going to be involved in, so that way you can get a taste of what that area is like. And Social Security law, it was the professor. He was a Social Security attorney for years and years and years, and he said, there's a Social Security court. They have like a judge that goes on there. You have to appeal to them when you get denied stuff. He said, you know what? It's like clockwork in the state of Tennessee. If you file for disability, you're going to automatically get denied. You have to appeal it. And that's where the lawyers come in. And that was his whole job, was you getting denied. I think Alabama at the time was a guaranteed 2. There was another state, he said, that it was like guaranteed 3. And then some states that just, I think it might be California, he said just accept them if you just fill out the paperwork. And it's funny because it's a federal thing, but it's done by state. Sorry, you guys, stop scrolling around. So this is what else is. So where do you need the accommodations? What accommodations do you need at the court? It sounds like she's going to need the blood bank. There. What accommodation do you need at the court? Why do you need this accommodation to assist you in court? Blah blah blah. If you're a court employee, a caregiver, or other person help fill out this form and is willing to provide more information if needed, provide contact information. So maybe that's where like a doctor would fill it out. Important. If your case is delayed or dismissed after you make this request and you do not need the accommodation for the dates specified under 3, please contact the court at. How many people you think have ever had a case dismissed and called the court back and said, "Oh yeah, I don't need those accommodations anymore"? I bet you none, man. They're like, "Oh, I'm out of this." Um, let's see here. Oh, I'm sorry, my stuff wasn't updating. I thought that looked weird. How you doing, Venom? I gotta rewatch all the Venom movies. I watched the last one. I think it was the last one. No, I can't remember what order they go in. Hey, there are some dogs. How you doing? Uh, all right. So anyway, next part. Your request. Let's see here. Okay, so this is for the court. Yeah, the court fills out below. That's funny. Operation of your case is delayed. That's funny. That comes, huh? The request is granted. The court will provide accommodations, or your request is denied, whole in part. The denied portion of your request does not meet the requirements of the rule, creates an undue influence. So I don't even know if this would be what she has to fill out. To tell you the truth, after reading this, may not have to, because this is an accommodation request, which is elevators, parking spots, things like that. Um, but anyway, there you go. So she got a dismissal, or not a dismissal, a continuance for was the 22nd, so 2 weeks. Hey, Robert James. Man, your stuff came up on my feed. And I was like, I saw the thumbnail, and I was like, oh, wait a second. I saw the thumbnail, and I was like, wait a second. I bet you, and then I saw it was you, and I was like, all right, hang on, because like one of those times you pull up, you're going to YouTube, it has like something new for you. You're like, oh, actually, I'm interested in that. So I missed your feed because I got lost in my own thoughts. Um, hey, did I see was King Bob here? Did I miss him? King Bob, if I didn't see you, I'm sorry. How you doing? Ladies and gentlemen, just another old lady. This is the type of comment I expected. That's what I expected. Anyway, so I think that uh, I don't know. I mean, what do you have next, right? So there's nothing between now and the 5th. She doesn't have anything in Arizona. It'll be okay. So what type of accommodations or what type of ADA complaint would the judge have approved to give her a continuance? Now we're thinking that there's more to it than just her saying I'm anemic or anorexic or autistic, whatever. All the A's. Is she cognitive enough to think, oh gosh, I'm gonna have to get the Arizona stuff figured out, try to get approval, then go to San Francisco. Is that what her thought is? Like, "Oh, man, I really messed up. I need to fix this. I'm gonna use my medical as an excuse." Is there something medical, that she's concerned about? I'm just kind of assuming that I don't know if I've seen anything, verbatim that says she can't travel while on release in, Arizona. So maybe she can. We'll just say she can for the conversation. And then she can is there something medical that she has to get fixed to be able to travel? I mean, that's a possibility. Can you get it fixed in 2 weeks? I don't know. Um, I just got trolled, ladies and gentlemen. I just got trolled. 3 dogs trolled me. Expert, watch the short. Brown is a good girl. Okay, well, if it was you're talking about brown dog, you didn't watch the short because it's him rolling on his back, showing you that he's a him. That's how you that's how you troll. See? Because it was blue dog, right? It's good. The last one I did. You got me, man. You got me. I was like, wait, what? You could hear my brain wheels screeching or cracking. What do gears sound like? I don't have gears. I got rubber bands and a toothpick. Um, oh, there you go. Hey, boom. Social Security disability, the state of Kentucky, they deny 3 times, and you go in front of a judge. Yeah, so that's the rule that my, professor was talking about. Like, that's the state he was talking about, because Kentucky's, like, 15 minutes over there. I bet you I think Kentucky's probably closer than Dollywood. Oh, wait a second, what? Um, even LP hasn't pulled the ADA stunt yet. That's saying something. Well, if she's watching, she's got an idea, didn't she? CJ, Axe, Axe. Oh no, she'll tell you. She's 100% DIVA. No, wait, hold on. Not diva, not like double D, but blue dog diva. Every time I come in, she comes in to greet me. I'm like, hey, baby girl, how's my princess doing? I don't know where or why I started calling her princess, but I'll tell you what, she's a princess. Just ask her. Now, here's the thing. What, hon, you know what? Your chat is too friendly. Bam, roasted. What did I do wrong this time? Diane, thank you so much for the memberships. If you're a new member, go to the page on the YouTube thing and sign in. Follow the link to Discord, hang out, and party and all that good stuff. Diane G. Did you see who got a membership? Tom Gillis. You didn't go there and tell him, like, hey, Tom, I bought you a membership. You better show up. I need to call Tom. He called me. I was pulling into the vet. It was still summertime. Isn't that funny? I love Tom. We gotta get him back on. You have VA disability. Effective day retirement from the Air Force. You're disabled. Boom. There you go. So anyway, Laura's what's next? I mean, she's gonna go to the 25th or whatever, the 5th. The 5th of November. So what if she doesn't show up? Well, I mean, it's gonna be dismissed. What if she could? There you go. Look at this. Oh, wait, hold on, that's style. What did I do there?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Just another lady. Congratulations. God, man, I can't believe that's been a year. Y'all that don't know, just another old lady. Love her to death, right? Just she's awesome. She is awesome. And 1 year ago, a little over a year ago, actually, she had the widowmaker of heart attacks. She was gone for like a while. And it's like, like, I wonder where she went. And then you come back and like just drops that bomb on your head. I'm like, whoa, no way. Anyway, I remember I talked to her. This is what happens in Discord. You have these conversations. And I told her, I said, no, excuse me. Let me preface the conversation. She said, they've got me, the doctors have me on this damn diet. If you are talking to her, you can hear her saying it now. And they're trying to kill me. They want me to eat mashed potatoes without salt or butter on. And I told her, I said, here's the thing. You got to do it. You got to do it for me because I love having you around. You make me happy. And I don't want to think that because, I was like, hey, listen, us acorns, us nuts, we got hard heads, right? I don't want to think that you shortened this wonderful gift, this great journey we're on because it's something silly like food, you know? And she did it. She did. She pulled around. She lost more weight than she was expected to. She's healthier than she was supposed to be. And I thank you so much for being here. And this is great. This is great. Happy anniversary. Happy birthday right here. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Let's see here. Does being an alien substance make me ADA qualified? Under the last administration, it did. What were we talking about? So do you guys? Why not? I talk all the time anyway. My opinion, what I think is going to happen. I think really Laura is. She's sitting back there right now, giggling. That everybody. I mean, she's laughing. She's probably watching the stream. That's fine, Laura. If you are, I would love to interview you. I'm not going to ask you to think about any of this. I just want to know. I just wanted to know your story. Help you. I mean, would that be cool? I mean, I don't ask questions that are about events that are happening in people's lives. I'd like to know how they got where they are. So, Laura, you got that going for you. You can let me interview you. But anyway, I really think that her and Ginger and stuff, they're laughing at like this stream right now. And everybody else who's done that thing going, ha ha ha, they all had their hopes up and blah, blah, blah. And because if you think about it, they trolled. They trolled. And well, keep trying, Venom.
Nice.
Rackles. Hey, babe, how you doing? Oh my gosh. So many things I'm not gonna say. All right, let's see here. Let me find this. Let's figure out. Let's switch gears here. Let's have a good time. Let's go to oh crap, I gotta go get my earbuds. They're in the other room. Um wait, that's not it. Oh wait, I did the wrong thing. No, I did the wrong thing again. There we are. Okay. Um oh, what's that? Why are those things popping up? Hang on a second. Oh wait, wrong button, wrong button. Playlist. There we are. And we go to this. And I'm gonna pause that because I don't know what one that is. Oh, why am I not looking at all of those? I did the wrong thing again. Why am I so dumb? Why am I so dumb? Beautiful playlist. That's what I want. All right. Now, let's find one. Wait, hold on. Why did I pull that up? Oh, because it's not up yet. Where am I? Did I delete it? No. Whew, man, I tell you guys what, this is getting very difficult. I think I'm having a stroke. Is that when you start twitching? Oh, can I turn that live off tonight? I think I can. Oh, I have control over my media buttons finally. That's what it should have been earlier, but it wasn't. There we go. There we go. Now let's see here. Let's find one. Let's go down here. I forget where we were, but let's find one. Oh, this is actually oh, boatloads of money.
And I cannot lie.
Here's a little boat. There's a little boat.
One's gonna fall.
Oh yeah, we got boats. We got good times, man. We got it all. Hang on, guys. Give me a second. I gotta go get my earbuds because if I don't have earbuds, then we'll get that thing that's what is that, feedback or whatever? Yes. Give me a second. We're gonna watch boats. I love little origamis. I have a thing. Food fairy. Gosh, man, there's fire fairy and food fairy. I have too many fairies in my life. Don't pay attention to the man in the corner. I'll be right back, okay? Hang on, hang on. All right, hang on. Wait, is that on? Can you hear me? Wait. Okay, you can hear me now, right? Okay. Well, crud. That's a. Wait, hold on, my camera's on. All right, hang on. Oh, my earbuds in. Yeah, too many things happening. Sorry, too many things are falling apart all at once. You think we don't know? Jeez, holy God. Rabbit. Good night, everyone. Meds are making me sleepy. I need some of your meds. I need some to make me sleepy. Always saying, let's make sure that the sound didn't get all messed up here. How do I do that? Oh yeah, it was working. All right, cool. Oh, hey, there I am. Hello. All right, where's the play button?
Here goes.
What?
Two. Did the third maybe?
Yes.
We just got back from a trip down across the border, and
awesome.
it was amazing. I told George I had this dream this summer.
Hey, George. I dig the look. I like the sunglasses. Cool. I love it. I love it.
I wanted to own a boat again. I used to have one, and she got me one. As a matter of fact,
Well, that's cool. That's cool.
Quite a few.
Quite a few.
If you want to see how many she got, what should they do, George?
Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon.
King
so
Bob, what was
every
the
single time we release a new video,
thing I need
we
to
win jackpot.
watch?
Money. As a matter
Oh
of
yeah,
fact,
sure,
I
monthly.
think
By the
we
way,
got 3 or
please
4
hit the
coming
thumbs
out
up,
this week.
y'all, if you haven't already.
Stay
I forgot
tuned.
to hit the thing to tell people to. I forget everything now. I like that color green. What? Yes, I am freckles. I need a screenshot of that one.
$25 again, and
Turn it off with 25.
We going fishing for money or what?
That's
check
the goal.
this
How
out.
cute.
All right, she said it was cute. I wanted to go for $100
Yeah.
bills. She wanted to go for cuteness. Okay, so looks like we got some
Why not get
shipwreck.
both?
We got some shipwreck going on here. Oh, nice. So let's see. Those are.
Hold on, this.
That's a $100 bill. 100. I'm just
stop it.
scanning. 100. Make sure you're
but
blocking
they
me.
could
Make sure
be-
you're blocking me.
They could
100.
be
$100.
$100
That's
make you
true,
holler.
too. Could be $200 bills. These
Ooh,
look like
yeah.
stormy seas here. Let's see if Mother George is gonna turn up the waves
El
or.
Capitan is.
El Capitan. I don't know who El Capitan is, but we're
Captain
there.
George, you almost have one right there. That one's already
Wait,
on
hold
the
on.
edge.
Wait, where'd he go?
They're
Expert, have you
shipwrecked,
tried
and now you
melatonin?
have them
Yeah, it's
running ashore.
gives me a weird
You
dream.
just got one. You just got one already.
We're gonna rescue all of
Do I
them.
need to
How
turn
many
them
dollars
down
did you
or
put
me
in?
up? Which one is it?
So far,
Yeah,
I don't
You
know.
have
I
an
wasn't
elephant
counting.
dollar.
you couldn't
Probably
have but
$3.
$2
What's
or
an
$3
elephant
in
dollar?
there, and you already got.
$3 would be my guess.
I would-
Come on.
$2 bill.
Not bad. Look at this. Some of them are stranded up higher. That one's rocking back and forth. That one hit a sandbar. Oh,
I lost my Danish
yeah.
money.
This is a good
Don't
way
tell
to
Baker.
start with Elvis singing. You just going all left?
Harriet Williams, how you doing?
Okay, I'll tell you what. Wow. Bonus points if you can somehow knock that one off and that one off.
It's
Unkids.
almost impossible.
What?
Yeah, well, the bonus points
I mean,
is
my
200 extra dollars.
my lucky bag is pretty magical, but it's not that magical.
Now you got a magical bag?
Uh-huh.
Baby, my sock is magical. Your bag is just dingy and dirty and nasty. Oh! Did you just see that ship fall
It
down?
did. It rolled
His
over.
sock
That
is
thing
magical?
shipwrecked
Is that what he said?
something. Wow.
They're all shifting this way at the same time.
Ooh, you're back in it. You're back in it. You definitely got some quarters to play with again.
Yeah,
drop,
man, wouldn't it be cool?
Drop
Boat.
your coin gently on the ledge. Push the money to me.
Ooh, there you go.
Did you see that?
What rhymes with ledge?
Edge.
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 Drop your quarter
That's it.
gently on the
Stormy sea. Oh, wait.
table.
Was that Stormy Daniels?
Push
Never mind. Sorry.
all the boats to me if you are.
Yes, this is
What's the
15.
next line?
All right, I'm down to 4 quarters.
Table, nice.
It's all gonna
Just
be
got
fun
at least
here,
4 more
CJ.
there.
Because we can't stop have fun. Oh, we can't stop having fun.
Come on. Oh, yeah. Don't give up yet. Don't give up yet. Come on.
Where's the Uncle Sam? Oh, well, that's kind of cool, man.
That one made
That is 100.
That's definitely
Do you think there's
100.
more than one?
There might be 2 folded in
There
this
could
bad
be.
boy.
Yeah, there could. Yeah. You want to unfold it now, or you want to keep?
No,
you wanna
let's
keep
wait.
finishing?
Let's wait at the end.
Okay. And
Lucky bag.
Now,
2175 is what we pulled. That's not bad. Now the key
I don't
is
like this sleep.
the key is to get here before anybody else. To be here when the doors open. And I guess
You
George's
get
key
first
is
dibs.
bring a lucky bag. I guess that's
That's my best strategy.
just bring the lucky bag.
Yeah.
I suppose.
I'm gonna try and get all 3 of the little boats
All 3 what?
off the pusher.
Oh, off the ledge.
Yeah.
Okay.
oh, there's
you
little
just got
boats
it
up there.
moving.
Yeah.
She's going for
Woo,
these right
look how
here.
close it is.
It's not bad.
Oh, I can't
It's not bad at all.
Sorry.
Oh,
I'm trying to figure something out. I can see it.
Yes,
Did
that's
one
what I
just
like to
fall?
see.
Did one just fall? I
don't
think you just
know.
push.
I was
Oh, that's a
so
cool
focused
view.
on-
I like that angle. I like that angle down into the pit.
That one just
There,
went. That
yes.
one just went.
There we go. There we go. Come on.
Nice. El Capitan. Shipwrecked all over the place.
We're just
Yeah,
gonna
that's what I
save them
said,
all,
too.
right? That's the goal.
You know, I was a
I remember
speedboat
that.
driver when I was
Yes,
a teenager.
it
That was
fell
my
off.
first drive.
It fell off.
Oh,
first
what's happening?
job
Where are
was
we?
driving
16?
boats at
What were they
16.
My neck is sore. Does anybody know
No
how
one
to
in the right
fix
mind
a
would
sore
give a
neck?
16-year-old keys to speed.
They were
what I
thinking
mean.
tall,
Fix a sore
dark,
neck.
handsome. Put that guy behind a boat. We'll make
Kelly!
it easy.
Yes, here's
Good night.
the push.
I was
Now
like,
you know
oh,
what they would think?
What were they
Everyone.
thinking? Seriously,
They would think, ain't gonna happen.
not today.
You ain't gonna be the captain.
Not on my boat.
oh my gosh, we have
Yeah,
a
that would
sighting.
never happen now.
We have a sighting.
Right on the edge.
How you doing, brother? What's up? How you been? We have a
Pushing on the edge.
Come on, baby.
Come on, baby, light
Come on,
my
little
fire. Let me.
Oh, Elvis was
Now's your
again.
chance.
Yeah,
Now's your
sure.
chance.
My chance.
Oh, we're all to the ball.
You're back.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, magnesium. Natalie Baker.
nice.
Yes,
Nice
I
drop.
gotta take magnesium.
Oh,
Anybody take
should we
I don't
tell
know how to
them?
pronounce
Oh my
it.
gosh.
Oh,
it
nice.
just fell.
Awashagawa?
No,
Awashagawa?
down the hole.
Got
Flush
me.
that one right down the hole.
Really,
Ship
some of
wreck
the,
no
the better
longer.
like
Should we
You know,
tell
everything
them
says
that,
it's gonna
we
cure this,
actually
but
brought
this is
a
really
magnet
good.
because everybody says a magnet will work, and that
Awesome
we're gonna
news.
test.
Want to risk
We're
getting
gonna
kicked out?
well, we talked about the plan.
All
We're
right,
gonna
that
try
was
it.
my last
Well,
order.
We're gonna
Guys,
try it on this
Guys,
trip.
Hold on. There's some breaking news. To be younger. Got an all clear on my booby squeeze. Yes! That's what we'd like to hear. It's all clear for the booby squeeze. Celebrate the boobies because it's booby month. Get it? Boo. Like the ghost. Go boo. Thank you. I'm glad to know that.
We're gonna see if we can actually use a magnet to win. 2 more rescued
Got
ships.
More.
Wait, is
They're
that
like
what you
little
did?
banana boats.
Yeah, not bad. And
No, I think this is my
$28.25
favorite
my
chat
lucky
you've ever
lucky
sent.
not bad, not bad.
That's the best
With
thing
my
you've ever done.
Lucky sock, there'd probably be more.
You think so?
I'm thinking. Now the other
Lucky
thing we
sock,
did.
I think, is a
We're gonna try.
you have different
we're gonna try using
definitions
the magnet
as
the
either
very
you or
last
I.
time we play while we're here, because if we get busted. Well, you guys can understand that. But the other thing we did, we brought a coin, and we marked it.
Wait a second.
We're
Are
gonna
you
try
trying
and
to
put
tell
it in the
me
machine.
that you're
And so, like when George drops, we're gonna
can follow
track
it.
it all the way through the machine. Now we're not doing that this time. We're gonna do that when we play another side.
your pocket trying to talk to me?
Ooh, yeah, it's gonna be. We also have to
That's
make
the
sure
first time
nobody's
I've ever
at the
said that
machine,
word.
We're the only
Those
ones at
words.
the machine right now.
I've heard them before.
If you come early in the morning, they're not busy.
That's called a wait. What? You come?
And it's a really easy day trip for us too. It's not bad day trip at all. Nice.
Was that a little mini push?
I don't know. Could have been a little earthquake.
Didn't you come over on a banana boat?
Mm-hmm.
This is gonna be the longest dang 30-minute coin push we've ever seen. But you know what? As long as we're talking about boobs, that's awesome. Well, this is what I was gonna ask you about. It's like, yeah, we haven't talked. Got the all clear on my baby surgery from last week. Post-op appointment tomorrow. Hopefully all good still. I mean, that means you don't have like an infection or anything like that, but congratulations. Congratulations. Y'all, this is really cool.
That's how I got here.
And then you lost your accent as a kid.
Yes, that's how I got here.
Yeah.
How'd your parents get here?
On a banana boat.
Or a ferry?
They went
Oh,
the
Rosemary,
bougie
it's great
route with an
news.
airplane.
Did they really?
Yeah.
They told you the story?
They had the choice of either a banana boat or an airplane.
Wonder why they chose airplane. Banana boat would have been great.
Banana boat is really good suntan lotion.
Drop your quarters gently in the machine. Push all the quarters and the paper that's green. That's the best line so far. I like that one.
You're so good and witty at that. Freestyling.
Nice.
What's happening? I'll look away for a second. I got distracted with Elvis. I can't do this without a camera. It's horrible. Very horrible.
Oh, did another boat just fall?
See, if I could put you in my pocket, I would. Yeah.
Looks like you have about 9 boats left.
Save the tacos. We love tacos. But today's Wednesday.
Definitely are dropping change like there's no tomorrow.
Not all tacos are good. There's so many varieties. I like a good old-fashioned American crispy. I don't like what Taco Bell tries to do. I like American taco.
They all shipped it.
Why are you making them all walk the plank, El Capitan?
El Capitan.
Frozen and ranch, I'm a little big for it.
If you had a boat, what would you name it?
I'll weigh you down.
Captain George.
You would name the boat Captain George?
Yeah.
Why wouldn't
Hey,
you just be
Judge
Captain
Maddie's
George
here.
and name the boat something?
Judge, how's it
Why
going?
can't we just
Guys,
be
if you
twins?
ever have a
gonna
musical
swim with the
question,
boat.
the smartest man
What would
is
you name yours?
Not Captain
when it
George.
comes to the blues. Judge
Just
Maddie.
keep it original. Banana boat.
I would maybe call it George's.
Love that guy, man. He's just
But
so
I wouldn't
cool.
be calling
So
it
chill.
Captain
You know, it's
George.
weird. I just like that.
Hi, Captain George. Let's go out on the seas today on a 3-hour tour.
just
I said it's
judgmatic. Just like, you know, like, that's
Down
it.
to 2 quarters.
It's crazy. I
More
don't know.
quarters.
Give me
My
a
brain's
quarter
done.
lunch.
Left.
Quarter lance. Oh, then it's a good quarter lance. Good quarter lance.
And what quarter lanch? What's a quarter? Oh,
You can make fun of my lucky bag all you want, but I got $37.25.
Not bad. You still have a whole
No
ocean.
boats.
You got a whole ocean of shipwrecks to clean up, though. No boats on that one. Look, there's 4
say the
boats over
tacos, not
there.
tacos.
There's 6
I'll
boats
be able to
over
get the
here.
ones by the
Can I still have a
captain.
taco though?
I bet you can.
All the
I'm
taco.
gonna use my mind powers and
Yeah.
pull them.
Salsa.
I ain't feeling it today.
Olay.
Okay. Your sinuses kicking in again?
Sinuses are acting up. I ain't feeling it.
Hooked on funk, didn't work for expert. What?
Come on, nice.
A little push.
Little push, little push. Big push,
Big wave.
push.
Man, I'll tell you what. Never mind. It's
Got
embarrassing.
time to
so
stir these waters up. Yeah!
Saw
There's
that
a
coming.
Tingle Bitties. We need to have a celebration. I'm down for shaving tacos.
We need to stir up a hailstorm in here. That's what I'm
Hey,
thinking.
what are you
you
into?
thinking?
Like an HALES storm.
No,
Like a
HALE.
Corn
dollar
versus
sign.
flour thing.
That kind of hailstorm.
Yeah.
Oh, you're moving that boat. You're moving that boat again. Not bad, not bad.
EMS.
Come on, Elvis.
Did I not know that?
Come on, Elvis.
EMS. Loser. EMS.
Get it, Elvis. Nice.
Everybody, let's ride.
Come on, give me that quarter lanch. See it right in the center?
See
There's
what?
a ton bunched up in the center on the ledge. On
Yeah,
the
I
pusher.
see.
Did you know you can buy nickels by the
Make
box?
it come down.
Like you can buy like $100 of nickels.
Yes.
They all come rolled.
You moved
It's
it.
in
You
a-
moved it. You moved it.
Oh,
Right there. Yeah.
Balls are greater than hailstorm.
You just
I would do
the
it
quarter
kinda hell
over.
over.
Yeah, the quarter just bounced over. We're no longer alone. People showed up.
Oh, if their quarter could just knock off
Uh-oh.
the banana.
They're having quarter problems.
That would be epic.
That would be pretty awesome.
That actually would be epic.
Expert's been allowed to run amok while I have been away, I see. You had fun. Well, you
I'm
know.
getting thirsty.
I don't know where I am.
Want
So I'd
some
have
salt
to-
water?
A captain
What?
special.
What? Have you ever seen that video? Have you guys ever seen that? What video?
Holy cow!
Yeah, that was awesome. But I gotta focus on mine. I gotta focus on
Jane says 100% agree, Ballstorm.
It's
I
hard
disagree.
Not to look away and look
I'm
at
out old.
the other person's
Lizzie
face,
Hale.
but I gotta focus on mine. My banana boat.
Hey, how's it? Where's Hal at?
Sterling.
This happened the other day, so it's not on StreamYard.
Winning.
Crazy.
With George.
Hal, you are not showing up on StreamYard. That is so crazy.
A little push.
You know why? Because he's computer programmed.
So
That's
what
why.
do you want to?
Little push.
That one right there got separated.
Yeah. I think that one will probably fall next.
These ones are doing really good
This
though.
guy right here.
Oh, nice.
No. No, I need that there, that there. Okay. Hal, I'm looking at the Elgato setup for
Right
XLR.
there.
You ain't kill me, would you?
You're so close to the edge. You're so close.
Because everything has Elgato.
Come on.
All right, down to 3/4. Now
Make
down
them
to
count. Make them
1/4.
count. Make them count. All right, come on.
Give me something.
Ooh, no, Elvis is talking. Something could happen. Come on, Elvis. Come on,
All
Elvis.
right, time to pull.
That looks like your best pull yet.
45, 25.
Nice. Okay.
House says Elgato's a
You're
crap
going
company.
left or
Stay away
right?
from it. Well,
I kind of want to stick to the
all my
left.
stuff's Elgato, so that's good.
She's so close on the right.
You know what though? I will say, out of all the crap I have, their mic arms.
What happens?
See, you know what? That's the I just got schooled by a real sound guy versus a streamer. Ooh,
They ain't pushing anything right
that
now.
hurt. That stung a little bit.
Oh, there you go. You got a quarter, one left.
True.
You definitely got.
Freckle Ginger
Yeah,
says, I
the
need a new
money's
profile
worth it.
pic. I'm
Do
afraid
some
Kim
damage.
Kardashian will try to shave my head for a new
No.
song. Oh, is that what we were looking at the other day? Sinead O'Connor was a redhead. You could do that pic.
Do you smell that?
Yeah.
You smell that?
You
That's a
farted.
weird one to
I
hear.
thought it was you.
I thought it was you.
Oh my God.
Must be
I guess the
excitement.
one who smelled it felt it.
Must be
Yeah, you
excitement.
smelled it, George.
Oh
my Oh my God! I gotta go harass the.
Did I ever tell you about the time that I shipwrecked the boat in Lake Erie?
No.
I didn't.
At 16?
No, I was actually in my 20s at this point in time.
Okay.
So I was at Camp Patmos on Kelly's Island, and
Oh, not.
oh, nice.
The curtains are gray.
They were having a camp, family
Well,
camp.
just, it's really
And they
tight.
asked me to take their speaker, and the speaker had 5 kids. They asked me to take them out on a boat ride.
Oh,
We'll be back home this weekend with you.
Got the ship.
They're swimming with again.
Got the ship.
If I can.
Oh, it's
Good
going,
job,
Elvis.
Dad. Good job.
Around the neck.
But I lost something. I don't know what it was because it was my earbuds. My noise canceling earbuds.
I see a quarter lounge coming soon.
Hal, the reason why I asked that is because
Nice, there it is.
it was with everything else I got.
Oh yeah, now we're talking.
All right, I'm predicting.
That's what I've been saying, Judge Maddie.
So I asked the family, do they want to go to Canada because you can go straight up to Peely Island in Canada or around the island.
Mm-hmm.
And they said, let's go to Canada. Things on the borders weren't so crazy then.
Or you didn't need a passport.
So there was a sandbar and it wasn't marked. Rifted the bottom of the boat and the prop out and everything. And we were out in the middle of the lake, stranded with 5 kids.
Oh my goodness. For how long?
Hours. So, oh nice. So I put a ski rope on the boat. The current was pushing us to an island we called Bird Poop Island because it was overtaken by birds, and that's all it was. It was covered with
Bird Poop Island.
And
I
went,
love
"There's
it.
no way
Bird
these
poop.
kids are gonna survive here." So I swam against the current. We stayed in the same spot for hours with a ski rope around my arm, and then finally a fishing boat came up to us and said, "Why the?" And they didn't say Hales. Are you swimming in the middle of Lake Erie where nobody's at on the shoal? And I told them, I said, rip the prop out. We're taking on water. And they hooked us up. It took hours to get us back to Kelly's Island, but
Oh,
It felt like
yes,
I was listening to the
that's
story.
how I was shipwrecked.
that one's coming next.
Oh, wait a second. Wait a second.
I'll save you, little buddy. Don't you worry.
Crap.
There's no
My
radio.
computer's about to die.
Wasn't smart enough, and people didn't really have smartphones and cell phones then. And
I didn't plug it in. Watch out. It's
Shooting
gonna. It's
flares.
gonna. Lock
During
up.
the
Oh,
summer, shooting flares up
Oh,
in
this is gonna
the
be a
summer
weird one.
sky mid-afternoon.
hang on.
Nobody can see a flare, but they rescued us just like you're rescuing these shipwrecks. And the best part of it,
Is that when you
Are
got
you there?
tired?
We still here?
no,
You
guys hear me?
they were
I'm good?
leasing the speedboat. The speedboat
Holy cow! I
company
just looked at
said,
my
well,
computer
since
about to die. I was like,
it's
what's
damaged
going
now,
on? I was like, oh yeah. Well, what's happened? Jeremy,
Speedboat
between
company
my talking and
actually
your talking,
donated the
how can we
$80,000.
watch
They
these boats
fixed
fall
it
in the hole?
and took the tax write-off and then donated the $80,000 speedboat to the camp.
Oh,
So
wow.
I
And I
always like to
ruined it,
remind
younger.
Camp
That's
Patmos,
awesome.
because I got shipwrecked, they got an $80,000
They got a free
donation.
boat out of it.
Exactly.
All right. Let's see. This one will probably fall next.
Oh, really?
Oh, she's calling her
Predict the
shot.
future
I'm on a
much?
She's
roll.
calling her shot.
Row, row, row.
Predict the future much, El Capitan?
El Capitan. Captain George is predicting the shipwrecks.
I do love to drive me some boats.
Remember when we went boating last summer and you were chasing the seagull?
I tried to forget about
Al,
it.
who was just in the chat. He spent his summer canoeing.
Almost killed us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Speaking of boats.
6, 7. 7 more boats. Boats, my goats.
Boats were going.
Boats, my goats. That's what
better hit it
Valhalla
hard
wishes.
now.
But
Hit it hard, Elvis.
he
is
had
singing.
he was not accepted into the Navy very happily.
It
A
all
lot of
shifted.
swabbing. Yeah, a lot of swabbing.
You hope.
That's my second favorite, when everything shifts at the same time. My favorite is when I get a jackpot.
Yeah, come on.
Alright, down to 4 quarters.
4 more quarters. $1 to make a holla.
$1.
Wow, that's crazy.
It's gonna fall, it's gonna fall, it's gonna fall! Yes! Nice one! It ain't done yet, it ain't... Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
I got 2 more banana boats to drop.
Hey, look, I'm in the palm of George's hand.
Man, you'd be good in the
What's that
Navy.
Lucky bag
54.50 here.
in the name.
She goes. How many more boats do you have to rescue?
I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
7.
8, 9 if you count those 2
I'm
up
Why
there.
don't ginger ride it?
You are?
And
No, I like the ginger.
and the captain.
Y'all are,
You're gonna have to, if you're gonna be the real captain, you gotta be captain of all the captains. You
think
gotta
I
take
can-
them down.
Oh, it all shifted. I'm thinking this one will probably fall next. You know what's cuter than the boats?
Cuter than what?
The boats.
Me.
That's a great answer, Jerry. That was great.
The little captains with the little pipes in their mouth.
Oh, nice. Corners are dropping like it's hot.
I can't use the lyrics that popped in my head.
Dropping
So
like
I'll
crazy.
stop singing now.
If I can get 3 boats to fall at the same time, would
Ice
you wanna
cream?
play?
What? You're gonna let me play?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
I don't know what that means.
All right. if
I
you
don't
get
know
3
that
boats
means
to
it's
fall
not
at the
good,
same
though.
time,
I know
I'm
that.
playing.
Alright, so I'm predicting this one.
Oh!
Those 3. Those 3. If those 3 can fall at the same
That
time.
just might happen. Come on, me playing is on the
Do you miss
line
playing?
here.
Oh, Jeremy
Do you
playing.
miss it?
I wouldn't call what I did playing.
You and your
I would
lucky
call it
son.
winning.
Winning.
Not only winning, setting you up for the assist.
1, 2, 3. There's 4. Look where
She
they're-
didn't even realize that one's close over there.
We got to keep our eye on all of them.
Keep your eye on the prize.
Yes. You see that
Maybe I
clearly?
got this setting too much.
I want big money.
I think I do.
I like little
Oh, you're
boats.
like,
I cannot lie.
there? You know, like a, ooh, that's kind of cool.
Oh,
I don't know what I
one's
like.
gonna fall.
Here goes.
What?
I think I stick too close to my screen.
Oh,
Oh, Christ!
Did the third maybe? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh,
I don't know where I am.
Only 2. She got 2 at the same
That
time.
one was left behind.
Oh
was
my
so
gosh,
close
I've got
to
so much
playing.
more RAM.
Playing.
Oh,
So
I didn't know, like,
close.
And I was
look
hitting
at
it
this.
off
I moved my
guard.
whole system around while you guys are here.
Been there, done
Who
that.
says I unplugged? Look how far away I am.
Alright, which boat
Oh
will
my
fall
gosh, you
next?
knew. Now the camera's in the middle
This
of the
one looks
screen.
like it's getting live.
No, I can't see anything. Camera's in the middle of the screen. Oh!
I got
Yeah,
my
don't look over there.
money
Don't look at this.
on that one.
There we go.
Maybe not.
I'm thinking far left.
Ah,
On
whoa.
the far left.
Why am I touching it? I can't quit playing with
The one
it.
on the far right is
I can't quit playing with it on
totally
camera.
shipwrecked. It's like jammed or something.
Push.
Oh, man.
There's 4 left side. Oh, 4 left side. What did he say though? He said 3. He didn't count the 4.
Now's your chance. Now's your chance.
White Rabbit was guaranteed a
Oh,
double
no,
breakfast.
not yet.
Went to the county jail.
Oh, you got it. You got it.
Yeah, baby.
When the king sings.
Oh, I don't know. Did one fall?
We know
I
who
don't
the
know. I
real
can't
captain
see. I
is.
can't see because I
We know
moved my
who the real
camera. So like,
captain
I'm
is.
just kind of doing this all by
Oh,
braille
Alright,
right now.
I'm thinking the far right. This one next.
Hold still, expert. You give
Actually,
me
I think
vertigo.
You're going
That
this.
one.
You got a little.
I'm gonna give her
The one on
Yeah,
the
that's on a
sandbar.
sandbar.
That's how I was.
on a
Going
sandbar.
towards Bird Poop Island.
Isn't that
Is it really called Bird Poop Island, or
No,
was that a name
it's like
you gave it?
it's like South Bass, but we named it Bird Poop Island because the trees are covered, the rocks are covered. It's pure white. It's one of those islands that are completely overtaken by birds.
It's like a toilet island.
And it's a toilet. It is an outhouse for the birds.
Come on, give me something good.
Nice.
row,
she
row,
got it.
row your boat gently
got it.
up the stream?
I'm getting good.
3 more.
Is it
killing
merrily? Merrily? That's not a
This
word.
one will be
You can do
next.
that. Merringly?
He's calling this one. And
Come on, here it
Marigold?
close
comes.
up.
Here it comes.
Oh no.
Oh, the quarters are moving. The quarters are moving. She's calling this one.
You know the floor underneath. It's
Look, it's moving. It's
Oh,
moving.
oh,
We are alone again. Nobody's at the machine.
Are you
Come on.
lonesome tonight?
Oh, you got it.
2 more.
Holding
Down
the
to two. Well,
night.
if you're
more.
counting those 2 by the captain.
4
Four
more.
more.
Like me to put on a mask.
I have faith in you. She's navigating by the
Why
stars.
was that redacted? Is that
Got
wrong?
her eye on the
Is that
North
not
Star.
right? What's
Eye on
happening?
the prize. Nice. Monster quarter lanch
Yes,
sandbars.
here it comes.
Monster quarter lanch sandbars.
They both move.
Yeah, they did. Oh yeah. Oh, it's just about over.
Drop,
They haven't done the
drop
thing
your
yet.
coins gently in
Wait,
the
did
machine.
they get them all? What did they start
Push
dropping
all
the other
the
ones?
quarters, especially
This is
the
really
green.
fun,
I said,
but
drop,
like,
drop,
I just
drop
realized
your
it doesn't have
coins
the
gently in
big
the machine.
towers. thing.
Push all the quarters, especially the green.
I didn't even know it
Did you
was a
just
word,
make that up?
so that's new to me.
I made that up like a half hour ago since we've been here.
Oh, a half hour. You can remember a new word for half an hour? Jeremy's smart.
Here comes something.
Wait. As
many
long as you
quarters
don't
do you
push
have
any
I'm
buttons,
down
you
to
move things
3
around all you
quarters.
want.
No, 4 quarters in my lucky bag.
1 more buck left. You had a good pull last time. That was your best pull yet.
Why does that confuse me?
Come on,
Yeah, here it
baby.
goes, here it goes. Oh, come on, is it gonna go? Is it gonna go? No. Oh, it did! It did! No, I'm so glad we didn't go down and pull. I'm so glad. So often, it's so crazy. We go down and pull,
And then stuff just
and stuff
falls on
falls
its
like
own.
that. We actually waited this time.
Wait, do you only get to pull so much?
I've got
I'm so
7
confused.
rowboats,
Right.
That's cool.
lucky bags holding
You know what'd be
22
cool?
fitty.
Is
I
if
think
they
we got
had
enough
like
to
ninja
rescue
stars.
that
Love ninja
last
stars. You guys
boat
ever have
that
Are
those?
was
we
They're
last
gonna
nice.
try and get
shipwreck.
the one
Rat.
by the captain?
I hope you do.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
See
Look,
what you got.
gently. Oh, it's
Oh,
down the
good
stream, not
timing.
upstream.
Time.
Gently down
Come
the
on.
stream.
You guys think she
Merrily,
can get
merrily,
it?
merrily. Life is
You guys
but a
think
dream.
she can
It's
save
not
the
real.
last ship?
Not real.
Oh, she's gonna get it.
Shifted.
She's gonna get it.
I don't want some teddy grounds now.
With all that,
I won't even have to play the whole
recording.
band.
Wait a second.
You will if you're going to bounce it and knock those other ships in them.
No, why is this recording?
Oh, they're stacking on each other.
Nice.
What?
This is how close it is.
Uploading load disk space.
Come on, give me a
I
push.
have
Oh,
load
look at
disk
that.
space.
Just moved.
That was pretty.
Why is that? What's happening? My recordings are uploading. You're running out of browsers space?
Stacking
What?
them.
More details.
Stacking them and racking them.
Oh, there it goes. Here it goes.
Oh, hang on a second. I think I got them.
So close.
I think
Something
everything's
wait.
messed up here. I think I messed
didn't quite make
something
it.
up. I think I messed
Thought you had it
something
there
up.
for sure.
So bad.
You're getting some money to fall.
On the left.
Um,
I'm hitting the right hard and money's falling on the left.
She's hitting what hard?
Come on, baby.
Oh my God! There it goes.
There she goes.
So for some reason it says like,
Ready to pull or you
oh no, we're running out of
Nope.
space. I don't know what's happening. Al Gore,
She pulled
make some more.
75 more in her lucky
addition.
bag, and
And
then
then in the palm of my
You have
hand,
7
I'm
of 'em?
holding a total of 13 boats.
Oh,
13.
13.
And
We've
now
got
for the
to know.
moment we've all been waiting for. Is this
come
one
on.
$100 bill or two put in together?
Come on.
Oh, there's never gonna be 2.
13
is always
total
one.
ships.
13.
Big money, big money, big money.
Oh, I'm trying to
and-
pull this without ripping it.
Is it 2? It is 2. It looks like it's.
No,
Oh no! I thought
Yeah.
it folded. I thought it was 2.
$100.
Yeah,
That's
casino's
still-
not gonna give you a bonus
1300.
100.
in the palm of my hand.
That is
Woo-hoo.
$1,300.
$1,300 in
You know what?
boats.
Too cute.
I'll tell you what, if I had
I
a
think
13, if I had
Elvis is our
$1,300, I'd
good
get.
luck charm.
Thank you, Elvis. You're our boy.
I do have.
That's cool. That was only 30 minutes. Maybe do that. All right, where we go? How do I turn this off? I go back over to here, boom, and then go. Yeah, we're just gonna turn that off. All right. Ooh, that's bright. Turn that off. All right, guys, it's been my pleasure. It's been a good time. I loved tonight. It was wonderful. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and we'll have to do it again sometime. I think tomorrow night's Wednesday. Like tomorrow, is tomorrow Thursday? Oh, jeez. My eyes hurt. My head hurts. I got a lot to do tomorrow. They make it look so easy winning money. Let me tell you what. Gambling is my retirement plan. So I got that going for me, which is nice. Y'all, it's been fun. Let's have a good time. Remember, coming up is Halloween. Halloween. We're gonna have live FNL from 8 to midnight. So many people are stopping by. So many costumes. It's gonna be magical. We're gonna have a witch. We're gonna have a warlock. We're gonna have Steel Toes coming. He's gonna be there. Big up.